Elco RK116. Okay, is the orange number 19 Adpil Corporation. Roof thinner crane truck. I got the problem there. Okay, it's the hard to problem. Good thing. Light to there. Make it okay. Orange Cobelco. Alright, to problem there. It's the there. Okay, good time. I like the is the blue Cobelco RK116. Ay, orange is not orange Cobelco RK116. Okay, after I like the problem there. Okay, is the good time. Is the orange. Okay, good time there. Is the alright. Is the crane truck. Alright, the problem there is the alright. There is the good time. Night to problem is the custom light. Okay, there good time. Okay, is the RK116 number 19 Adpil Corporation. Okay, good time. Good problem there is the 5 4 3 2 1 go.